Hi guys, today I will show you how to upload high quality video on TikTok. Before I start, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to render our video correctly. It can be in CapCut or any other video editor, but a fact that few people know is that TikTok does not accept 4K quality or 60 FPS. That is to say that if we upload videos with that quality, TikTok will lower the quality when trying to compress the video, and that will make it look blurry and bad. So for exporting, we will set the resolution to 1080p, and in frame rate, we will set it to 25 FPS. This will make our video reach the highest quality possible. But it is important that the video is of good quality before. Here above, I leave you a tutorial to enhance a video and squeeze its maximum quality in CapCut. Now, click on the plus symbol. Click here, select the video, click Next. And here, an important step is to click on More Options. Scroll down and check the box, Allow high quality uploads. And that's it. Now upload the video. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.